But this is one area where you can actually buy, something for about $600,000 and live close to downtown. You can.
So Builder is giving us 50% off on the legal basement suites, rent through. It's
So-
like pretty close to downtown.
Pretty close to downtown. And we are looking at one of the best schools that you have in Calgary.
Walk to Gurdwara Sahib, 1 minute walk to superstore, like your grocery stores, your Indian stores.
Where a lot of Indians live, a lot of our community is there. So, and any neighborhoods that we should avoid and not. Calgary's market is on fire. Multiple offers, low inventory, so many people moving to Calgary for lower cost of living and affordable housing. This video is for everyone who is on the fence of buying their first home in Calgary, or if you are someone who is in Ontario or BC and tired of expensive housing in these markets. In today's video, we'll be talking about where to buy affordable housing between $600,000 to $650,000 in Calgary, which are the best locations, the best school districts, the best place to buy pre-cons, and more. Enough of me talking in this fancy studio, and I'll go straight into the market on the ground. So let's get started. Now, before we move into the market, I would like to show you the map of Calgary and where everything exists and how Calgary is divided. So this is the map of Calgary. You'll have in the middle downtown. This boundary is basically what I think would be known in future as Greater Calgary area, but I'll just explain how it's divided. It's very simple. You have downtown, then you have northwest area here, then you have northeast area. Northeast area is where a lot of Indians live, a lot of our community is there. So, the Gurdwaras, Indian stores, a lot of good food. There's a lot of misconception around this area as well, and I'll bust that, as we go along in this video. So after Northeast, we have Southeast. Southeast is where I bought my pre-construction house as well in Seaton. So this is almost about 30 kilometers away from downtown Calgary. It's about 30 minutes as well. And then you have Southwest, which is not very massive, but there are some great neighborhoods here as well. And then outside of Calgary, this area, you also have some areas which are up and coming. You have Chestermere here. Chestermere is pretty good, really big houses, newer housing. And then if you go up towards north, you have Airdrie. Now, the problem with Airdrie, if anyone knows Calgary, is that it also connects to Edmonton, and therefore there's a lot of traffic in this area. And therefore, if you are looking for very affordable housing, Airdrie is the place to be, but it's also very far. So just, keep that in mind, that there'll be a lot of traffic on this highway because of it connecting to Edmonton as well. Then if you go towards northwest, because you have the mountains in northwest, you have Banff in northwest, there's one more area which is really good. And that area in the northwest, which is closest to the mountains, is in fact Cochrane. This is one of my best areas. If you go to this area, you will see that there's a mountain and then there are houses, and there's an amazing view of the mountains from this particular area. So that is one of my favorite areas because I love mountains. And now we'll go straight on the ground to look at all these areas. Our very first stop is a brand new home in Renfrew area, which is at downtown Calgary. All right, we are very close to downtown, and we are looking at a house which is $626,000. Close to downtown. Chaliye fir.
Brand new.
Brand new. Now, if you're looking for something which is close to downtown, this is right in the middle of downtown. You don't want to spend more than $600,000. This is the unit for you. It's a new unit. It's in a fourplex, and we'll talk about more details after we see the unit. All right, so that's the home. We are heading inside. That's the entryway. That's the washroom. Beautiful, pretty massive living room. That's the closet. Amazing kitchen. Let's go up. That's one bedroom with almost like a walk-in closet. Amazing view. Attached bath. ये बढ़िया लगता है मेरे को. Door बंद करके. Premium looking shower. Oh, another closet. Wow. His and hers. That's the washer dryer. That's the other bedroom. This also comes with an attached bath and another walk-in closet. And we walk into a nice little living room, a small pantry here, so this can be a party area. And we also have a washroom and the third bedroom, which can be a beautiful guest room with a pretty big closet. So this particular project is actually made by Gurvinder. So Gurvinder will let us know the numbers. पहले area क्या है ये?
Renfrew. It's like pretty close to downtown.
Pretty close to downtown. And it's a 3-bedroom, so एक नीचे bedroom, 2 ऊपर है. Everyone has about three bathrooms,
Three
right?
and a half. So we have powder room on the main as well.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
And how much is it listed for?
600. So you will get something like this between 600 to 630 depending on the upgrades and all.
Right,
finishes.
right.
Like 10 minutes away from downtown.
So if you are someone who wants, to live close to downtown, this is the kind of property that you can get. It's brand new finishes, all premium finishes, top of the class, appliances.
And if you want like something similar to this with basement suite, then the price goes up a little bit, but the rental market here is pretty strong. Like with basement suite, similar townhouse will cost you around 700 to 750. The rent for the legal basement suite here is for 1 bedroom, it's between 1500 to 1700.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
And this is around 1200 to 1400 square feet?
1200 to 1400.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Not for everyone. It'll be better for people who are working in downtown, who want to stay close to downtown, who have a busy lifestyle. It's a really good option.
Or
for
people who
everyone.
want to do Airbnb as well.
Yeah, Airbnb for sure. This is so close to downtown. We just saw, Calgary Tower यहाँ से बहुत ही पास है. So it's a pretty
Like
good
instead of buying an apartment or a condo for like 400, 500k, you can get like for 700k, you can get 2 units.
और यहाँ पे ना जून हमने Airbnb वाली वीडियो करी थी. I'll just link that in the description below as well. But यहाँ पे Airbnbs जो होते हैं वो 200 तो मिनिमम होता ही है पर नाइट, बट इट कैन गो ऑल द वे टू $600-700 जब पीक सीजन होता है समर के अंदर एंड जब यहाँ पे स्टैम्पीड होती है. इट्स अ प्रीटी नाइस यूनिट फॉर व्हाटएवर पर्पस दैट यू हैव ऑफ बाइंग दिस पर्टिकुलर रियल एस्टेट. और इस वाले यूनिट के पीछे गराज का क्या सीन है?
Single garage.
सिंगल गराज, बैक ऑफ द यूनिट.
Back of the unit.
Amazing. Now the reason why we are doing this video is because कई बार ना हम अपने घर में बैठे बैठे ना बहुत सारी वीडियोस देखते हैं जिसमें प्री कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रोजेक्ट्स बहुत बिक रहे होते हैं एंड दिस इज प्रॉब्ली नॉट द बेस्ट मार्केट फॉर प्री कंस्ट्रक्शन हमने दिखाया या इस वाली वीडियो में दिखाएंगे वेयर इज द बेस्ट प्लेस टू बाय, बट दिस इज वन एरिया वेयर यू कैन एक्चुअली बाय समथिंग फॉर अबाउट $600,000 एंड लिव क्लोज टू डाउनटाउन. यू कैन एक्चुअली रेंट आउट एज एन एयरबीएनबी एज वेल एंड ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमें हर टाइम जस्ट बिकॉज समवन इज सेइंग दैट ओ बड़ा महंगा हो गया कैलगरी. हाँ हो गया है, but there are so many value deals available. Now I'll highly recommend that you go to the description. There's a WhatsApp group there. Just join that WhatsApp group and we actually send value deals both in Ontario and in Calgary, and Gurvinder and me will actually vet the deal and only then we'll be sharing those deals with you, and we'll also be telling you what the purpose of this deal is, whether it's a first time home buyer deal where you can house hack or it's a project where it requires a little bit of renovation. So we'll give you all the numbers in that particular group, so do join that group. Link is in the description below. Now we go straight to Southeast in the Rangeview community, which is an up-and-coming community. If you look at this community on the map, you will see that it's very close to Mahogany, which is the lake community, which is pretty famous. It's also very close to Seaton, where I bought my investment property in Calgary, and it's only 3 kilometers away from the Seaton YMCA, and it's also only 3 kilometers away from the South Health campus, which is one of the largest hospitals that you have in Calgary. So this is one of the best neighborhoods to buy pre-construction right now, because of the upcoming, like community here. The houses, I'll just show you the kind of house, but let's talk about a little bit about the prices and what's available here.
So Builder is giving us 50% off on the legal basement suites.
Okay.
Like this promo is for a limited time. So they are only left with 4 lots now. And the price range will be, including the basement suite, around 670s. So it all depends on what features, what kind of upgrades do you want. So the more upgrades, the more expensive.
And this is basically a semi-detached home.
Right.
And how much square feet upstairs? How much square feet downstairs?
It's 1500 approximately 1500 square
Got it.
feet upstairs, and the basement is approximately 550 to 650 square feet.
Got it.
Depending on what model will you choose.
Correct. कई बार ना हम बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि कहाँ पे लेना है, कैसे लेना है. So one of the best communities to buy, and that's where I bought. That's where a lot of my clients are buying. That's where a lot of the development is happening in terms of infrastructure development as well. And this is one of the best communities. Now the next stop is Martindale in Northeast, and this is where you get amazing food. But first, let's go to the Gurdwara nearby. बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है और मेरे को भी लगता था जब हम देख रहे थे कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट में ना घर लेना ही नहीं चाहिए बिकॉज बहुत ही बेकार नेबरहुड है, बट दैट्स नॉट द केस. एवरी नेबरहुड हैज इट्स ओन चार्म एंड वी लर्न फ्रॉम गुरविंदर. एंड दिस इज बाय द वे, इफ यू हैव नॉट सीन दैट स्मार्ट गाय ऑन द बोर्ड, दैट्स बेसिकली गुरविंदर. दिस इज हिज लिस्टिंग. It's sold.
It's sold in one day, unconditional offer over ask.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is the property that we are actually standing right now. We were not able to go inside because the sellers were inside. The tenants are there, so we were not able to take the permission from them in time. But this is the property. It's really renovated. It's 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bedrooms downstairs. You would see that it's a really, really good house. $3,800 is the rent, and Gurvinder will talk about that. Again, it's renovated. You have really big sized bedrooms and a fully finished 2-bedroom basement with a kitchen and a bathroom. So this was 609?
We listed it for 600, so we got 610 offer.
And it has-
once we sold it, we even got 2 more offers, and one of them was for 631.
Oh wow.
But we already signed the offer, so we
Yeah,
can't do anything.
that makes sense. And this is a duplex. It
No,
has
this is a detached house.
Oh, this is a detached house.
With double garage, a non-conforming basement suite,
Yeah.
and then it's pretty close to 1 minute walk to Gurdwara Sahib, 1 minute walk to Superstore, like your grocery stores, your Indian stores, your Tim Horton, like you name it, it has it.
And this is a very good neighborhood for people who have parents, Gurdwara bilkul saath mein hai, it's really good, for parents who want to just walk in the parks, and go to Gurdwara every day. Thoda na time bhi nikal jata hai. It's very important. My parents live with me. So I know,
It makes a
it's
huge
very
difference.
It makes a huge difference. And this is an amazing rental as well. So $610,000 is the purchase price. And what's the rental that we can get from there?
We are getting right now, it's fully rented upstairs and downstairs, and this sellers are getting $3,800.
Oh wow, that's amazing. $3,800.
$3,800 monthly.
So this will fetch, if you do a 20% down, it will fetch about $400 to $600 if cash flow.
Right. And in this neighborhood, the other thing is like if your sole purpose is to buy as an investment, like the rental is like this here. You list it, it will go on rent right away.
Yeah. Gurvinder, any other neighborhoods in this area which are really good for, first of all, first-time home buyers, and then we can talk about investment as
We
well.
got Martindale, we got Castle Ridge, we got Savannah, we got Settle Ridge. So there are quite a few neighborhoods. Like we have quite diversified options here for
Okay.
everyone.
And नए घर कहाँ पे बढ़िया मिलते हैं?
Nayagarh, Cityscape, Savannah, Cornerstone, Redstone. So these are in all of them are in Northeast.
Okay. And detached का range is 600 to 750 depending on कितने नए हैं.
Actually, range varies quite a bit.
हाँ.
It can easily go from 550 to till about $1 million in
Okay.
Northeast only.
हाँ.
So it all depends on your personal preference, personal choice. What do you want?
And schools वगैरह सही हैं?
Schools are अच्छे.
सारे अच्छे हैं यहाँ पे. हाँ. And any neighborhoods that we should avoid in Northeast?
I won't name anything, but there are a couple neighborhoods that we should avoid.
तो इसके लिए ना इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो द लोकल ले ऑफ द लैंड. तो गुरविंदर को नीचे रीच आउट करो एंड ही विल बी एबल टू गाइड यू बेटर डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर नीड्स, राइट. कई बार क्या होता है कि जो जैसे मेरा जो ओहायो में घर है वो C- नेबरहुड है, राइट. तो ऑब्जेक्टिव भी बिल्कुल अलग है उसका, राइट. तो कई बार इट मेक्स सेंस टू बाय इन नॉट सो गुड नेबरहुड्स एज वेल बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्टिव इज वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट. बट इफ यू आर बाइंग फॉर योरसेल्फ, ऑब्वियसली यू वुड वांट टू बाय इन अ गुड नेबरहुड. एंड आवर फाइनल स्टॉप टुडे इज school districts in Calgary, which is in Northwest. Again, if you look at the map here, this is downtown Calgary, around here. And if you go towards Northwest, you have Sir Winston Churchill High School, which is one of the best neighborhoods, which is Brentwood neighborhood. You also have very good schools in Huntington Hills, as well as Edgemont, which has one of the best elementary schools. Alright, a lot of the people have kids and they are looking for good school districts. So now we are in Northwest and we are looking at one of the best schools that you have in Calgary. Let's go. So if you're in Ontario and if you're looking for investment properties, or if you're looking for first time home buying, you're moving to Calgary, the reason why this is one of the best school areas is because it's very established neighborhood. Northwest is a very established neighborhood and you have good schools here. If you are looking for something like that, then Northwest is the place to go. But Southwest also,
This is in like inner side of Northwest, not the exterior side.
Right.
So like you will get older houses though, but there are lots of infills happening right now in this neighborhood still.
And what's the average price?
So for
of
an
this
older
neighborhood?
house, around 700, 750K ish, and if it's a new build, it will go upwards of $1 million.
And जैसे Oakville होता है ना, Ontario के अंदर Oakville is known for its good schools. That's the kind of area that you are looking at here. So हर geography का ना एक होता है. जैसे हम North East अभी जाएंगे, North East में अगर Indian, अगर गुरुद्वारे चाहिए, eating अपनी community चाहिए, some value for money, neighborhoods, if you want that, then North East is the place to go. Northwest is for schools. South East and Southwest, again pre-cons and again कुछ established communities है, कुछ नहीं है. So every every area has its own charm, and everywhere,
Every neighborhood is different. So,
बिल्कुल.
like even you can get good schools in Southwest, Northeast, and Southeast as well. But it all depends like what are your particular requirements.
I hope this video was useful. Do hit the like button if it was, and share it with a friend who is also looking to buy in Calgary. And do not forget to join the WhatsApp group. The link is in the description, and there we will be sharing all the value deals and make you a lot of money. That's all I have for today. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए bye bye.